Wiko has recently introduced their brand new Wiko View 3. So what's so special about this device is that it's currently the market most affordable smartphone that features a triple camera setup. So this device is officially priced at 599 ringgit and you can get them on their official store on Lazada. So without further ado, let's unbox this device. So this box is kind of normal. It says here, design in France. So fancy. Oh, let me open this box. So first thing you'll see is the device itself, which I'll talk about it later. And there's more papers. Ooh, what's this? Oh wow, they give you an extra screen protector. It's a tempered glass screen protector, so this gives you extra protection if you need them. Ooh, I'm impressed, Wiko. I'm impressed. And there is also a there's also a clear jelly case, which is a good thing. And you will also get a micro USB cable, earphones, as well as a power adapter. So that's pretty much it. Actually, that's a lot of things for this price point, you know. Some don't even give you headphones. So good job, Wiko. Good job. Okay, so let me set everything aside first. Then we will talk about the Wiko View 3. There it is, the Wiko View 3. Let's tear this out. So this is the night blue version. And if you can see it closely, there's some really fine lines in between it. And at the back, you will also notice there's a triple camera setup. And if you want to unlock your phone, you can always use the rear mounted fingerprint scanner. There's also facial recognition feature if you prefer that. So let's talk about what we have on this device. So on the top here, you can see there's a 3.5mm headphone jack. And at the right side, there's also a volume rocker and a power button. At the bottom, you will get yourself some speakers and also a micro USB port. And at the left side, there's this SIM tray. So let's check out what's inside. And I need my SIM ejector tool. Okay, as you can see here, you can actually add one nano SIM as well as a micro SD card. So that means you can expand further if you need extra storage. So now let's talk about the front of the device. So the Wiko View 3 features a 6.26-inch IPS display and it pushes a resolution of 720p. So you also notice there's a notch in front and it houses the 8-megapixel selfie camera. And if you notice, there is actually a very thick chin at the bottom, but the bezels are actually quite slim, which is pretty good. So moving on to the core of the device, so this device gets a MediaTek Helio P22 processor that's mated to 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. Like I mentioned before, you can actually expand further with a micro SD card. So the star of this device is definitely its triple camera setup. So you will get a 12-megapixel main camera, a 30-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and also a 2-megapixel camera for bokeh effects. So if you're someone who likes taking pictures or you need ultra-wide angle lens on your smartphone at the lowest price possible, this device might be the one for you. Powering this device is a rather large 4000 mAh battery that is rated to last up to 2 days, and it charges via a micro USB port right over here. That's it from me. So what do you think of the Wiko View 3? So let me know in the comments below. So that's it from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you're informed whenever we post a new video. Okay, so do check out our latest video here, and also another video here. Okay, I will catch you in the next one. Bye!